Good afternoon. My name is Karl Weaver. We're here at the Bell Harbor International Convention Center. This afternoon's presentation, I will focus on China's connected car market. Again, my name is Karl Weaver. I'm a wireless market mobile device specialist. I spent my entire professional career selling mobile technologies to the Chinese and Asia Pacific, India markets as well, handset manufacturing ecosystem. I have recently joined a company called Oasis Smart SIM, and I will be in Barcelona from February 22nd until February 25th. This presentation is being videotaped in front of a live audience, basically ahead of time to present at the basically North America China Council for the 2016 Global China Conference Seattle Summit. Again, my presentation is about China's connected car markets, the Internet of Vehicles. Next. So what's important to understand about the connected car sector is that really for the past 5-6 years now, we've had connected cars. What does that mean? That means you have the ability to use GPS, you have the ability to use all kinds of wireless connectivity in the vehicle. You can use Bluetooth, you can use 4G, 3G and 4G connectivity in the car, and even now some cars actually accept the usage of Wi-Fi in the car. So you can also stream wirelessly with Bluetooth into the connected car, and there are a bunch of ways to do that. You can tether with, let's say, an Apple iPhone. You can basically tether it to the auxiliary port. You can stream it via Bluetooth. And actually some cars even have NFC built in, near field communications, to allow the bootstrapping of Bluetooth, which can be messy at times in the connected car sector. And of course, for the past few years, we've seen 4G modules being built into the hub of the car. So that's in what we call an embedded strategy, an integrated strategy. So you basically have an integrated, a tethered, and actually a nomad, basically bringing any device into the car and figuring out how to get it to accept infotainment services in the car. So another key concept is M2M. M2M means machine to machine. This is basically where two machines are talking. In the future, we'll be talking about one car wirelessly connecting and communicating with another car. That is very, very much what's going to happen with the M2M business. But M2M modules actually are semiconductor chips that are soldered into the hub of the car. Usually, sometimes they're removable, but usually they're soldered into the hub of the car, and they provide that 4G connectivity. So what is M2M? It's the term M2M, machine to machine, refers to technologies that enable machines and devices to communicate with each other via wired and wireline communications, wired and wireless communications, and that they link for the need for human intervention. M2M is linked to the wider term IoT, or Internet of Things. I like to use the term Internet of Vehicles because that's basically what we're talking about here. And actually, a car is what? It's the biggest mobile device that you own. Next. There's a program from the GSMA called Embedded SIM. It's called the Embedded SIM for Remote Provisioning. This is a program whereby the SIM or the module is embedded into the car, and the provisioning and the profiling take place upon, and the activation take place upon the ownership of the car. Therefore, the owner can select the various mobile network operator that they want to work with. And if they're not happy with that operator, they can reprovision the SIM or the module in the car to go with another operator's network. So this is actually a very interesting and important program called the GSM Embedded Remote SIM program. The GSMA Embedded SIM, it's a vital enabler for machine-to-machine technologies, and it's for all types of connected machines too, not just cars, all types of connected machines in the M2M market. The SIM may not be easily changed in a physical access, to the device. So therefore, you're able to, on the fly, over the air, remove the profile from one mobile network operator and download another profile into the connected car very easily using 4G connectivity services. So this is really an advancement which allows the flexibility for users, and actually the number can be ported over too. Think of it as a big cell phone, basically. And also, the important key is also the security. It offers a much higher level of security when you can embed into the module, because 4G connectivity is very, very secure. Next.